So here we have our Hawthorne floor plan. This home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car, 2,460 square feet. Of course, all the homes here in Buchanan Trails come with your paver driveway, which is a nice look. And what is going to be typical of our single-story homes, as you come in, you'll have a nice wide foyer. And then you're going to have 2 bedrooms up front that will share a hall bath. Now, this particular home, bedrooms are going to be both 12 by 12 up front. So bedrooms 2 and 3. And then you'll have your laundry coming in right off the garage, 3-car garage here. And what makes the Hawthorne different also is you'll have a separate closet off the laundry, which is really nice for storage. You'll have your AC unit here. Then the home really opens up. So you've got a designated dining area. Here we're showing a table for 6, but you could easily sit 8 here. This is our color scheme number 2. These cabinets are called Frost. You'll have a corner pantry here. And then looking back into the great room. And of course, typically you'll have a TV on that wall. Again, this is just a staged home. This is not a model. So this home is available for purchase. But the great room is about 25 by 19. So nice and spacious. Now this bedroom sits off by itself. It's a little bit bigger. It's going to be roughly 12 by 13. So again, you have a nice walk-in closet. And then you'll have your own bathroom here. So again, all of our homes now will have quartz countertops. Looking back into backyard here. All of our sliders as well will collapse into one. So you can add a screen enclosure, and it's like adding another room to your home. So going into the master bedroom, tray ceiling, come just the way you see it here. You'll have 2 closets. I call it a hers and hers. Both are a decent size as well. And then coming into the bathroom, of course, you'll have your shower, garden tub, dual sinks. So again, this is the Hawthorne plan. It's one of our top sellers here.